Welcome to our demonstration of how to use the new TrackIt EKS module to streamline Kubernetes cluster deployment. To begin, let's look at what we will deploy in the cluster. First, we have the IAM, which deploys all the rules and policies necessary for the functioning of the cluster. Next, we have the authentication section, which allows you to manage IAM users, user groups, or roles that can be connected to the cluster. Finally, the last section is Karpenter, an AWS tool for managing the scaling of the cluster. By deploying the example file in the TrackIt repository, you can connect to the cluster and view all the applications and add-ons. Lens has been used here for observability. We see that with just a few lines of code, you can deploy Karpenter, AWS, Load Balancer Controller, CoreDNS, ExternalDNS, and the VPC-CNI directly in the cluster.